Alright, sorry if the music's loud, but we just arrived at this place called Saigon Outcast. They're doing a car meet. I did not expect it to be this big, so it actually goes back around that way, and then all the way down there and back around that way. So yeah, there's some pretty cool cars, and I'll walk around and see what we can find. So we got here kind of late. I don't know if you can see all the way over there in the last spot. There's our Supra. It looks like a Mark V just parked next to us. So I didn't see that before. Anyways, so here's where we parked. And yeah, this Mark V just showed up. There's a couple other Supras here. A couple of our buddies. So I'll make sure to get some videos of them. Sean's Supra. He got here a little earlier than us. Parked next to some Mark Vs. First time seeing the new Corvette with the roof off. Pretty cool. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 R35s. Alright, we got a nice lineup here. We got a Audi R8. Nice color. And then I think this is a Huracan. Performante. And we have another R8. Spider. And then a Mclaren, and sorry, I don't know the model. Not too educated on these, but it's nice. Oh, GT2 RS over here. Pretty crazy G-Wagon here. So it looks like this is supposed to be a replica of the car from Need for Speed Most Wanted, with the blue stripes and the wing and everything, but it doesn't have the one on the side, so I don't know if they're still working on it or what, but it's pretty cool. Okay, here's a McLaren 720S. The only reason I know that is because it says it right there. Sweet. Alright, this Supra is owned by a guy named Sergi. I'll put his YouTube channel up on the screen, but pretty nice right-hand drive Supra. He did a manual swap on it, and he also put these nice BBS wheels on. Looks pretty good. First time I've seen it in person. Well, if you don't look at the license plate frame, guess what kind of car this is? You guessed it. This one's pretty crazy. Wow. my favorite cars. 300ZX, twin turbo, T-top. And for those who don't know, if you look at the bottom of the front bumper, you see those little 3 slits right there. That tells you that it's twin turbo. If it's more solid, then it's an NA model. A couple Lotuses. Lotus Sai. Plural. This one's really sweet. It's not my favorite car in the world, but this one is pretty cool. And this one's more stock. Nice SC300 here. Funny thing about these cars is I actually see more Supras at meets than I do of these. I don't know what that means, but I don't see these too often. This is nice. Hard to tell on camera, but it's actually like a forest green color. Yeah, you really cannot tell. There you go. Another one of my favorite cars is the MR2. If I had a bigger garage, I would definitely try and get one. I like this color too. Oh, nice confetti Recaros. Got another pretty nice lineup. Mclaren and Ferrari. I'm just gonna guess 488. I don't know. I think it's a good guess. Oh boy, look at this one. And then we have some kind of SLR here. Don't know much about these. If it's not a 90s Japanese car, I'm not a genius on it. I got an Aventador. Really nice. Ferrari. And another Ferrari. Maybe another 488. I don't know. Correct me if I'm wrong. Nice Ferrari F430 here. One of my favorite Ferraris from what I think is the end of the best era of Ferrari. Late 90s, early 2000s. Another one of my favorite Ferraris. Oh! This thing is crazy looking. Look how small the windows are. It's like the size of my hand. Crazy. I love me a red car, but I feel like if I got one of the C8 Corvettes, I'd get this color. Pretty sweet. Alright, so we've pretty much seen everything, and we're going to head out, and actually before we go, we're going to take the roof off because it's really nice out. It's about mid-70s, which is pretty rare here for March. So we're gonna enjoy the weather, drive home. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.